Thank you for tuning in to Savannah in the Kitchen and joining us as Savannah learns how to cook delicious, quick, and easy meals.
Welcome back to Savannah in the Kitchen. Hi, I'm Savannah.
And I'm Uncle Jamie. If this is your first time here, welcome. We hope you enjoy.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another one of our videos. Are we making brownies?
We are making brownies.
Yum.
Yum. Brownies are good.
Yes, they are.
And we're going to make them with a special ingredient. Just stick around and see how we do it. Okay, Savannah, I'm going to start by adding the brownie mix.
Okay.
All right. Why don't you go ahead and add in the 3 eggs. We're making cake-like brownies, so we're going to add 3 eggs. All right. Next, you can add in your oil.
Okay.
All right. Good job. And now your water. There you go. Give that a good stir. Get that mixed up real well. Well, you have to break those yolks up. There you go. Mix it up good.
Okay.
Oh, you're doing good. Yeah, it's starting to mix.
There you go. One egg.
All right, Savannah, now that you have our batter all mixed up, why don't you go ahead and add our chocolate chips.
Okay.
Get that stirred around. And while you're doing that, I'm going to prepare our pan. There you go.
All right.
All right, Savannah, now that you have our chocolate chips in, our batter's mixed up well. Let's go ahead and pour it into our pan.
Okay.
All right, now let me scrape that out for you.
Okay.
Wow, look at all that chocolate. These are going to be chocolate tea brownies.
We're going to have sugar rush.
Oh, they look so good. Look at that. All right.
Make sure you even that out.
Oh, we're going to even it out. All right. How about we get it in the oven?
All right.
Savannah, could you get the oven door for me?
Sure.
All right. Now, I have our timer set for 20 minutes. Won't be long now. We'll be right back. Well, those brownies are smelling good.
Yes, they are.
I think they're ready.
Let's check them.
Let's check them. All right, now. I bet they've been in long enough, but let's check the center. I do that with a sharp knife.
Okay.
All right, and it comes out dry. No, not yet. 3 minutes?
Yeah.
3 minutes. Okay. We'll give them another 3 minutes. We'll be right back. Think they're ready.
Me too.
Let's check them. Wow. Oh, it smells so good, huh? Oh, they're ready.
Yep.
Well, they look good. Brownies seem to have turned out. We'll carve them up, put them on a pan. Then weed them.
Yep.
Then weed them? That's
Yep.
a good part, right?
Yep.
Be right back. Well, there you have it. Chocolate chip brownies.
They look delicious.
They do. They look amazing.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Hey, thanks for watching.
See you next week.
See you next week.